Alam mo yun, something like that. So, and at least kung nandun na, mas easier. Kaya nga sabi ko, pag daldala ko rin yung Tropa Cooperative, na nandun ako, yung connection namin nandyan pa rin. At which is better. Alright, sige.
Sige, okay.
Later.
So, babalikan
Continue.
uli natin si Cookie. So, basahin lang natin yung mga nagbigay na kanilang interpretation. Hand at hand, nothing is impossible, especially with faith in God. Tapos, eto naman yung sa Facebook. Basahin mo nga yung mga sa Facebook.
Just give me a second. Pero si Tineta nagpupuyat.
Naka-online talaga.
Naka-online siya.
From Ace, kasi tapos na kay Larry, binasa mo na eh.
Sandali,
Can do with you, sabi ni Ace. Sabi ni Lorelai, together we can. Sabi ni Marie Balana from...
Together, forever, yes, we can.
Tapos si Ching.
Si Priscille. Kayang-kaya kasi katropa. Cookie all the way up na ito.
Tapos si Ronnie.
Si Ronnie, si Mai naman, able in your presence.
Yun, babalik po kami.
Iba
Tapos
talaga.
ito.
Bongga.
This morning on the Business Breakfast. The Business.
Howard Davidovitz, Chairman, Davidovitz and Associates.
In order for new businesses to start, you got to have confidence. You've got to offer great service, and you have to be able to do something unique and different. But if you're not an imaginative, creative, intelligent entrepreneur, you're going to get crushed.
The Banter.
If you add up all the notes and coins in the UAE, how many different denominations are there? Well, it was a quiz around lots of tables. I got the wrong answer, basically. I asked a question to which I had the wrong answer.
Malcolm Taylor and wrong quiz answer,
right, I know,
shocker.
exactly. My answer was 11.
Right.
The proper answer was 13 because I was forgetting the ones and the fives.
See, there you go.
Because, I mean, you don't ever see ones and fives really anymore. I was remiss.
And tomorrow,
We'll be looking at the rise of the Noodle House, how one Dubai-based restaurant continues to expand across the world.
the UAE's most popular morning show, The Business Breakfast, featuring Malcolm Taylor and Brandy Scott. Weekday mornings from 6. Powered by Dubai Investments, Standard Chartered Bank, and Budget Rent-A-Car.
Filipino Rhythm, brought to you by Al Ansari Exchange. Close to you in Sharjah Co-op Society in Korean area. Al Ansari Exchange, your first choice.
Kayo po ay nakikinig sa programang Filipino Excellence in the Middle East. So, nakabalik na rin yung mag-asawa si John tapos si Angie. Tama-tama kasi to si John, si Angie may may inclination mag-entrepreneur eh. So, John, anong observation mo sa cooperative ni Cookie ng Tropa?
Actually, Tito, it's a good eye-opener for us na especially mga nagbabalak talaga mag-business, especially na locally present dito sa Dubai. Medyo mga nag-hesitant lang mag-start dahil parang maraming policies, rules and regulation dito. One question lang,
Kay Cookie.
Cookie is, paano ba pwede mag-start as an individual Pilipino? Kasi mas marami kami naririnig na kailangan ng sponsorship or kung gusto namin mag-create ng sariling business dito.
You mean dito?
Opo.
Mag-establish ka ng negosyo mo dito?
Yep.
Siguro si Robert Ramos sa si Cherry ang dapat sasagot niyan. Pero anyway, kasi baka mali naman yung may sagot ko. You can just get that sa municipality, yung nagbibigay din ng Tropa ng lecture about how to start the business in Dubai.
Okay.
Kasi yung cooperative ang focus ng business nito sa Pilipinas yung base eh. Although initially lahat ng mga members ng cooperative mga nandito sa Dubai na mga OFWs. Pero ang target namin ng business would be nationwide sa Pilipinas. Of course, we are not closing. Eventually magbi-business kami dito. Pero for now, yun muna. Dun sa how to open business in Dubai, parang baka hindi ako mas appropriate na sumagot sa tanong.
Sa bakit makikita na naman ni John sina Cherry?
Yeah. Guess mo si Cherry.
August 31. Ikaw, Angie, anything you want to add or ask?
No, maybe yung sa Tropa po, yung mga trainings nyo, how would we know na meron kayong mga available trainings?
May website po kami. Although currently nag-shutdown ang construction. Hindi.
Sa dami ba
ngayon,
Na-overload ba?
What you can do, well,
Ano
they're
na?
always they're part of mentor na sila ngayon ng FEME.
Okay.
So you would
Oo.
be informed kung ano yung
Oo.
mga
So yung
Trainings.
ang most ang upcoming activity ng Tropa is yun nga yung this coming Thursday na lecture forum about the gas business. This is gas business sa Pilipinas po, hindi po dito. Ito kasi yung program ng Department of Energy na nagbibigay ng loan grants up to 10 million to anybody, individual, corporation, cooperative, organizations, ganun,
as
are
long as
eligible as long as you complete the 2-day training program ng Department of Energy at Philippine National Oil Corporation. Sa Pilipinas po yun. At merong September kasi next nilang training. Anyway, for details of that,
they have to.
ibibigay po namin ngayon Thursday yung how to apply, who are eligible, how much you need to, you know, the process, what other requirements, papers, government agencies, suppliers ng oil business. We will try to tackle all that and answer that dun sa training sa Thursday
Meron
po.
bang babayaran when they attend?
Yeah, sa venue lang at saka sa food, which is 40 dirhams. Actually, as Tropa, mga initiative in the past, as much as possible, binibigyan namin siya ng free. Kaya lang ngayon, we could, wala kasi kami lugar na gano'n, tsaka marami yung attendees.
Basta babayaran lang yung place.
Oo, so that's why we need, kung tatlo lang, pwede sa kwarto ko, doon na lang kami, libre yun.
Oo. Ito maramihan to eh.
Maramihan to 50, hindi na kasya.
So target yung 50 lang, minimum.
Well, so far kasi yun yung...
Kalahati tropa na yan. Ano doon.
And of course,
Pwede.
listener ng ng
Na
Filipino
FEME.
Rhythm and FEME.
Eto nga, may
Oo.
nag-text nga dito eh. How can we get in touch with Miss Cookie regarding the cooperative and seminar? How much is the fee? Ang fee po, 40 dirhams. Cookie,
Timings is 8.
mag-check na lang po sila sa Facebook.
Sa Facebook ng Tropa, yeah, okay. O sige, pwede ko ibigay yung telephone number ko kasi 5 days na nalis.
Good for 5 days na lang.
Sige, pwede mo na ipamigay yan.
pakibigay na ngayon.
Telephone number ko.
Huwag mo na kayong tatawag.
Huwag tatawag ka sa studio si Cookie.
Oo, kasi on the air pa kami. 050-508-7482.
Ulitin po natin.
050-508-7482.
Ayun, paki-text na lang po. Mamaya, mag-text back si Cookie.
So, si Angie and John, of course, are invited to attend. So, either
Yeah,
you
po.
listen about the co-op, kasi I'm sure you have 1,000 dirhams now. Tapos, or, yung gas. Maganda to eh. Kasi, may connection na siya sa Pilipinas. Ang kailangan na lang talaga yung mga taong magkakaintindi.
Oh, yeah, one thing good about this kasi unlike, any ordinary loans na you get from the banks, eto kasi pwede ka nang walang cash equity. So, yung collateral mo would form part of your equity kasi pag nag-loan ka sa bangko, kailangan mo maglabas ng pera talaga. So, this thing, kung may property ka na, suitable for this kind of business, and this is good for you. The reason why nagkaroon talaga ako ng special interest dito, dahil meron kasi kami property sa
Pilipinas.
sa northern part ng Mindanao na nakatiwangwang lang siya, Tito Art, and it's right on the junction ng
so crossroad
National
talaga.
Highway.
Okay.
Tapos, wala kaming interest doon kasi hindi na kami lumaki doon.
Oo.
Sa yung area na yun sa father's side. So, kaya nga nung nakita ko to, and this is the best, for business for the family. I mean, this will, the common, that would serve the interest of us all. Kaya nung umuwi ako last month, that was the main agenda na pinunta ko. Kaya talaga nakipag-meeting ako sa, yung head ng investment, ng Department of Energy. I talked to the people from PNOC. I went to SEC. So, I went to, kasi yun yung mga primary requirements that they would ask you to submit. 2 months lang, they can release you the loan.
The 10 million.
Assuming that you have the papers.
Alright.
The required papers.
I've been asking kung may questions si Angie or si John, but we have never asked si Daddy Blue. Kayo po ba ay may katanungan? Kasi ito ay business na at maaaring makapagbigay sa inyo ng panibagong buhay din sa Pilipinas.
Yung masasagot ko, ha?
Then, ayan, based sa sinasabi niyang kinikwento niya, ang area, di ba, doon sa, sa
Mindanao.
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas. Kasi ang isip ko sa, sa lugar nyo.
Sa Mindanao.
You mean
Mindanao.
yung gas business ng DOE?
At
For
saka
anybody?
pati
It's all
yung
over
bakery. No, the bakery as well.
Bakery niya.
Ayan, sa cooperative. Initially, oo. Pero gusto namin nationwide
Okay,
talaga.
so
Blue.
si Daddy Blue is from
Sa
Cebu.
Cebu. Maglalagay
So,
tayo doon. Oo.
So, pwedeng ano.
Ay, eto pa yung maganda, hindi ko nabanggit. Kasi as member ka ng co-op, I want na, di ba sabi ko kanina, yung grand vision namin, kung saan yung hometown ng bawat members, we intend to open a business doon. Not necessarily bake shop lang. Dapat confidential to, no? Pero sinasabi ko ng the radio. Kasi gusto ko po namin in-inspire, naman namin ilimit sa tropa lang yung
tama.
opportunity. You are invited to join us, but it doesn't mean na hindi rin kayo pwedeng magtayunan sa inyo lang. So, yan po, klaro po yan. Tropa is open.
Pero,
So, Tito, ganito yan. Kung saan yung nila, saan yung hometown mo, we want to have a business there. So, we are starting sa Jensen kasi may bake shop ako doon. So, we start the business there. So, kahit next week, pwede na namin siyang simulan. Tapos, sila Alexis, mga members ng tropa, they have sa Davao, si Ching, sa Surigao. That's what we intend to do. And eventually, we'll go into gas business din as a tropa co-op. But without jeopardy to their individual interest na magkaroon sila ng the same business sa family nila. Tapos, yun, as member, yun yung parang, that would also encourage them or provide avenue for them na maging negosyante ka dahil you own the business and tropa will market it. Parang ganun.
But, si Daddy Blue is isang announcer, DJ. Hindi siya baker. So,
Pagawatan na
how can you
studio.
solve this problem? Or how can you really, parang tailor fit yung kanyang abilidad?
Hindi naman, negosyo naman is whatever.
Accountant yan, ha?
Hindi pwede naman yun. Like,
Yeah.
kung business.
Kung ano yung
Actually, ako
passion
naghanap
mo.
ako ng negosyo sa Pilipinas. Kasi ang iniisip ko, kung uuwi ako sa Pilipinas, not only me ha, maraming katulad ko.
Precisely.
Pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas,
Anong
next stage? Kasi karamihan, uwi hindi na magtrabaho. So, anong mangyari?
Dapat may naghihintay doon. Yan pa yung
Yes.
isa naming binibigyan ng kasagutan. Anybody, sabi ko, anybody among us, not necessarily among us, but at least we start from us. Pag meron na tayong cooperative and business running there, pag umuwi ka, assuming na, nawalan ka ng job, suddenly, at least may sasalo sa'yo doon. O sige, manage mo na yung doon. Operations manager ka ng entire Mindanao.
Automatic, sige, remember, sabi, uwi ka, yung uwi daw eh. Angie, yung uwi ka na, yung wala kang work, ano naisip mong business?
RTW, di ba?
Yun pa rin.
Yun pa rin.
Di, tsaka ano yung
Yung
sinasabi niya?
palengke
Palengke ito. Actually, tita, more on lang kami doon capital investment lang eh. Meron kaming friend, siya yung nagra-run ng business.
Pero wala ka ng planong mag-work uli sa Pilipinas kung natuloy ka?
I don't think so. Kasi parang matagal ka nang nawala sa Philippines. I don't think
When a way
maging
of
marketable.
So, ganun palang thinking, once na nag-abroad ka, nag-stay ka for how many years, tapos pag umuwi ka, it's better na sarili na eh. I think that's the mindset, karamihan eh.
But, ngayon, yun din ang binabago ng tropa. Or ng grupo nito.
Yun na nga yung mindset na,
Kaya nga.
pag uwi mo, huwag ka na maging empleyado, mag-business ka na. That's the mindset of, I hope most of the OFWs.
Yeah,
Alright.
the important thing kasi is while we are working, dapat natuto na tayo dun sa daming mga returning OFW, mga distress, natin, di ba?
Mas mahirap pa
na
sa
nangyari.
dati.
Yeah, while nandito tayo sa natin, we should always think na bukas makalawa, hindi ganito palagi. So, alam mo yon ang negosyo naman at saka yung investment, base lang yan sa priority mo sa buhay. Pwede ka nang mag-invest bukas, bakit hindi? 'Di ba? Pero kung i-priority mo lang yung manood ka ng sine at mag-shopping ka ng ganyan, of course, it's up to you.
iPhone,
iPad.
iPad, di ba?
At isa pa po talagang the reason that's why I really came out then and talk sa radio regarding si cooperative. Kasi nung nakausap ko si Tita Darlene, kasama ko siya dito, si Miss
Okay.
Darlene
Tita
Arcamo.
Darlene.
Okay, hi.
Nakatira siya sa Jumeirah 2.
Hi, Tito Darcy.
Okay,
yung
welcome.
na-overwhelmed din kasi ako sa response niya when she had the chance na mag-one-on-one sa akin last week. Nung nakausap ko siya at based dun sa reaction niya, when I discussed about the cooperative, alam mo yun, parang somehow she has found hope na pwede pala na at least kahit siya may chance siyang magkaroon ng business. Tapos sabi niya, ito may bake shop siya. Tapos, of course, not necessarily you own it entirely, pero just being a part of that is really, really something sa kanya.
Sense of ownership.
Parang doon ko na-realize na after all, we're doing the right thing.
Okay.
Alam mo,
Okay.
just for that.
Before you go on break, so si Daddy Blue